Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. There's more to life than being happy. The speaker initially believed that the pursuit of happiness was the main purpose of life, focusing on achievement and material success. However, this gives ill to feeling of anxiety and dissatisfaction. The realization that chasing happiness might contribute to unhappiness prompted a shift in perspective. Through studying positive psychology, the speaker discovered that the key to a fulfilling life is not just about happiness, but about finding meaning. Research revealed that despite improvement in living standards, global suicide rate have risen, highlighting a growing sense of hopelessness of lack of meaning among people. The speaker identifies four key pillars of a meaningful life. Belonging. True belonging involves deep, authentic relationship where individuals are valued for who they are, not just for their belief of external attribute. Purpose. Meaningful work and life purpose involves using one's strengths to serve others rather than just seeking personal satisfaction. Purpose provides a sense of direction and motivation. Transcendence, moment of transcendence, where individuals feel connected to something greater than themselves, can enhance meaning. This experience can occur through art, spirituality, other profound experience. Storytelling, the narrative we create about our life shape our sense of meaning. Crafting a redemptive story that emphasizes growth and redemption can transform our outlook on life and adversity. The speaker reflects on personal experience and cultural influence, noting that dance pillars were integral to their upbringing in a Sufi community, which emphasized meaning through belonging, purpose, and transcendence. In conclusion, the speaker stressed that while happiness can be flexing, a life grounded in this pillar of meaning offers a more enduring sense of fulfillment and resilience. Building and maintaining the pillar in our life and communities is crucial for long-term well-being. Okay, this opening, I also to think the whole purpose of life were pursuing happiness. Everyone said the path to happiness was success. So I searched for that ideal job, that perfect boyfriend, that beautiful apartment, but instead of ever feeling fulfilled. I feel anxious and adrift, and I was not alone. My friend the struggle with this too. Okay, the next is major point. 1. The search for meaning versus happiness. Eventually, I decided to go to graduate school for positive psychology to learn what truly makes people happy. But why I discovered there changed my life, the data showed that causing happiness can make people unhappy. And what really struck me was this. The suicide rate has been rising around the world, and it recently reached a 30 years hike in America. Even though life is getting objectively better by nearly every conceivable standard, more people feel hopeless, depressed, and alone. Number 2, four pillars of a meaningful life. 1. Belonging. The first pillar is belonging. Belonging comes from being in a relationship where you are valued for who you are intrinsically and where you value others as well. But some group and relationship deliver a cheap form of belonging. You are valued for what you believe, for who you hate, not for who you are. True belonging springs from love. It lives in moment among individuals and it a choice You can cause the subtle fight belonging with other. Number 2. Purpose. For other, the key to meaning is the second pillar. Purpose. No, finding your purpose is not the same thing as finding that job that makes you happy. Purpose is less about what you want than about when you give. A hospital custodian told me her purpose is healing sick people. Many parents tell me, my purpose is raising my children. The key to purpose is using your strength to serve others. 3. Transcendence. The third pillar of meaning is also about stepping beyond yourself. Transcendence. The third pillar of meaning is also about stepping beyond yourself, but in a completely different way. Transcendence states are those rare moments when you are lift above the hustle and bustle of daily life. Your sense of self fades away and you feel connected to a higher reality. Storytelling. The fourth pillar is storytelling. The story you tell yourself about yourself. Creating a narrative from the event of your life brings clarity. Number 3. Personal reflection and broader implication. Belonging, purpose, transcendence, storytelling. Those are the 4 pillars of a meaning. When I was younger, I was lucky enough to be surrounded by all of the pillars. I know, realized that the Sufi house had a real culture of meaning. Okay, the last part is closing. Of course, the same principle applies in other strong communities as will good ones and bad ones. Gangs, cults, these are culture of meaning that use the pillar and give people something to live and die for. But that's exactly why we as a society must offer better alternative. We need to put this pillar within our families and our institute to help people become their best self. But living a meaningful life takes work, is an ongoing process. As each day goes by, we are constantly creating our life, adding to our story, and sometimes we can get off track. Personal reflection of meaning and final anecdote. Whenever that happened to me, I remember a powerful experience I had with my father. His sense of belonging within his family, his purpose as a dad, his transcendent meditation, repeating our name. Thus, he says, are the reason why he survived. That's the power meaning. Happiness comes and goes. But when life is really good and when things are really bad, having meaning gives you something to hold on to. Thank you.